Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove a Mazda 3 glove box. This will be a full tutorial, but also an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the interior of a 2010 Mazda 3. We're on the passenger side, and this is the glove box. Now I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to show you how to remove it. It's actually really easy, and you basically don't even need any tools for the most part, okay? So I'm going to try and zoom in and tell you what I'm doing and show you what I'm doing, but this is really the best kind of scenario for viewing it from this angle, but I'll definitely try and zoom in. So first and foremost, there are essentially a few different spots that you need to know about. There are, on either side, these little levers here. Let's try and zoom in, see if we can zoom in to get a bit of a better view over here. Okay, so on either side, you can see right over here, there is actually, where are we? Right over here, there's actually a lever or a little latch, okay? And actually, what I'm going to do is I'll take the camera off to give you a better view, okay? So I'll just explain it first. There's two little latches over here, arms, I should say, and then there's an additional arm to hold it over here. So there's three arms that we have to remove, okay? So I'm going to undo the camera, and I'm going to carefully bring you forward and show you what I'm going to do first. So if you take a look over here, you can see that there's this arm, okay, and on the other side, there's another arm over here, okay, right over there. And then there's also a third arm. Where are we? I'm trying to figure out where we are with the camera. Right back here that we have to unlatch, okay? So follow along. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to unlatch that third individual arm over here. To do that, I'm just going to pull it towards me, okay, just like that. So right now, I've unlatched the arm over here. There's a third one right over here that I've unlatched. When I remove the glove box, it'll be a little bit easier to see, okay? Now there are two other arms over here that I have to unlatch, one on either side. I'm going to carefully bring the camera back up, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So now that we've done that, we have these two arms over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of raise it up and wiggle the arms a little bit and pull them out towards me, okay? So I've pulled the arms out, and what's that? Look at that! The glove box is out, just like that. It's that easy. There's a little hinge over here, these hinges that allow it to stay in place. So what we've literally, there it is. The glove box is gone. It's literally that simple. So basically, these were the two arms that I was talking about. Okay, you can see they hook in place. So I lifted it up and I moved them to get them out of place. And then here's the third arm that I was talking about over here. This is what allows it to go in and out, what allows it to close. These are essentially, they hold it in place. They hold it hanging in place. And the third arm allows it to go in and out. To put it back in place, all that you got to do is slide the hinges back in place, and then you just have to slide these and hook them in place, and then place that third arm that I was talking about that raises and lowers it, hook it onto there. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.